friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you along with me while I clean a couple spots in the house, and then I'll also be sharing with you my Christmas decor haul. This is our bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty messy. It's not a complete disaster, but it definitely is disastrous. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by making the bed. I, however, shed quite a lot, and then as Bonnie gets older, she's been shedding more. So I'm just going to go ahead and lint roll the sheets before I pull these back. And I'm not going to be too perfect here because these sheets are already messy. They're going to get covered up by the comforter, so I'm not even going to bother.
We will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
If you guys can see here, there are some lumpy parts of our comforter. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a trick on how we can go ahead and break up these bunches of batting in our comforter. So far, we have thought of nothing. We've tried putting it in the dryer, not putting it in the dryer. Let me know down below. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down our side tables. They do get quite dusty, though mine's not too bad as far as clutter goes.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live.
And here is what our tidied up bedroom looks like. It is not perfect, but it's definitely way better than it was. Alright, and then now we're going to go ahead and move on and start by hanging a mirror that we bought at TJ Maxx. We found it on a really great deal for just $30.
Snowman snows. Moving nimbly. Did you hear something from the chimney?
Sneak peek of the Christmas decor that I'm going to show you in just a little bit. I know this guy looks a little subpar, but I'm going to talk to you about a DIY that I'm going to do on a budget for a pencil tree.
Will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
We're going to use what is called a molly here to go ahead and hold it into the drywall, since there is not a stud in the center of the wall. Actual representation of how excited I was to get this mirror up on the wall. Woo!
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the love.
I'm going to use some sticky tack here to help the mirror stay down against the wall. That way it can't be knocked off the screw that it's hanging on.
Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day.
And this is our new bar card area. Hey everyone, this is the very next day. I think you guys will be really surprised with what great deals I found and just how little I spent considering how much decor is actually here. Let's get into it. Alright, so I want to start off with Dollar General. This is the place where I probably got the least. This and TJ Maxx. I got this cute little mini oven mitt, and it has this beautiful teal color, which is the color that we're accenting this year. I'm super excited for this. And then to go with this, I also got this kitchen towel with the cutest little snowman, and he is welcoming you at the North Pole. Each of these were $1, and then the last thing I got at Dollar General was this Tupperware container, and I'm gonna be honest, I did not buy this with the intention of using it as a Tupperware container. I want to use this beautiful scalloped lid and turn it into a cake stand. My only struggle is that I haven't been able to find a candlestick or some kind of base to go with this, but once I do, I want to go ahead and glue this together and probably paint it white, maybe gold, I don't know, we'll see. But that was my idea for this, so if you happen to find those two things and you want to try it out, feel free. I did get this idea from Chic on the cheap. Also, this Tupperware container or cookie container was just $1. You can also find this at Dollar Tree. Speaking of Dollar Tree, I want to go ahead and show you what I picked up from there. I won't go through the prices because obviously everything at Dollar Tree is just $1, other than this first item. These were 2 for $1 and they are from the Hallmark brand and they're from the Heartline collection. But I really liked it for the artwork. I would love to use this artwork because it's more that cutesy clip arty look. And then I also picked up this beautiful pastel blue card that said Happy Holidays. I thought this would look so cute in a little frame. Next, we picked up 2 tubes of these gold ornaments. We got a champagne gold and then a bright yellow gold. Sticking with ornaments, we went ahead and picked up these music notes. This was 2 for $1. They are matte on the bottom and glitter on top, but I'm gonna be completely honest, they're kind of scratched up and they look a little janky, but I don't think this is anything that spray paint can't fix. I'll fix this up with some DIYs, but I thought these are cute because Chance and I both do musical theater and sing, so. I also picked up this really cute gold glitter bell. I thought this looked so high quality and I just love the little pines and the pine cones. I thought it was so precious. I don't know if I'll use this as an ornament or maybe add it to a wreath or put it on a doorknob, but I think it's super cute and it does have a tiny little jingle, but more of like a rattle, not a jingle, you know. Next, I picked up these gold and silver ornament monogram letters. I know they sell something very similar, if not almost the exact same thing at Walmart, but I picked up a B for Bonnie, a C for Chance, and a K for Kiana. The next product that I picked up at the dollar store, I would not recommend this product on its own to you guys, but I did pick up 6 of the little mini Christmas trees that Dollar Tree sells. As you can see, they're very sparse. Really not the best Christmas tree I've ever seen, but I did pick up 6 of these, and that's because I do plan on DIYing them and turning them into a slightly bigger pencil tree. So make sure that you subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when that video comes. It's gonna be a super affordable Christmas DIY, and the coolest thing is it's Dollar Tree products or products for less than $1, and it's going to make a huge, really impactful Christmas decor in your home. The next thing I got are the garlands that Dollar Tree has. These are 15-foot garlands, and I did pick up 2 of them. I would have picked up more, but I do believe that I have some of these from last year that I can use for my idea that I have in my head. These are also cute to turn into little mini wreaths. The next thing is probably the stuff I'm most excited for at the Dollar Tree. They had these gorgeous florals there. I was just so in love. I don't really think I had much rhyme or reason to the ones I picked up. If I thought it was pretty, I picked it up. I wasn't even thinking about how I would use it, but I was just so impressed. This is the willow pick that they had at the Dollar Tree. It has these thick little clear, almost looks like cut up hot glue sticks on there, but it's mixed with this holographic white silver glitter on these beautiful taupey brown twigs. Next up, I picked up these gold twig-like branches. They're literally just called branch, but they do have this gorgeous geometric diamond shaped sequin glitter on there. Then I did pick up 2 of the fern branches. These look a little more leafy to me, and I picked them up in that yellow gold color as well as the champagne gold. I'm gonna go ahead and do mixed metals this year. I'm not sure how it's all gonna turn out, but the 2 I just showed you, they're great, but I definitely think these are far superior as far as quality goes. Definitely recommend picking these up from the dollar store. And then the last thing I picked up from the dollar store, which I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm not sure why I picked it up, but I picked up this one random floral pick. I don't know how or if I'll be using them, but I know that these would be super cute to accessorize any Christmas decor, especially if it matched your color scheme. Next up, I want to go ahead and show you what I got at TJ Maxx. At TJ Maxx, I went ahead and picked up these gorgeous plates that I plan on using on my kitchen island. There are these gold textured plates with a silver rim of glitter. Each plate was $4, and I picked up just 2 of them. You could put these plates on display or use them on your table for a beautiful tablescape. The next store on my list is Hobby Lobby, and I was so excited to go shopping at Hobby Lobby. They had 50% off all Christmas items, but I'm gonna be completely honest, a lot of the items that I liked were still really crazy expensive, even 50% off. There would be items like trees that are just 12 inches tall that would be $20 on sale. I just thought that was a little crazy to spend, so I did pass up on a lot of the options that they had, but I did pick up 2 items. I picked up 2 of their throw pillows. The first one we picked up is this round clear throw pillow. It's white and fluffy, and these are actually pillows we'll probably use beyond Christmas season. These are normally way more expensive and they have that high-end look. This was just $10 on sale. And then the next one we picked up was probably one of 2 of the Christmas pillows that I actually liked. I liked this other one that was like this beautiful emerald green color that said Noel in a gold sequin, but it didn't match our theme this year, so I did pass that one up, and instead I picked up this red sweater textured pillow. It's a lumbar pillow and it says Merry Everything. I just thought it was so cute and it's so soft. This was again just $10 on sale, originally $20. Moving on to Walmart. Walmart was the really exciting one for us because this is where we found the ornaments that kind of sparked our inspiration for the theme that we're going with on our big tree. They're this gorgeous minty teal color, and we just have never seen this color anywhere else. We thought it was so unique and so pretty. These were $4 a box. We got 2 of the teal. We also picked up this beautiful mauve maroon burgundy color. They're in that same satin finish, and these are gorgeous. We're gonna use this on our 4-foot tree that we put in the bedroom. This was also just $4 a box. And then we also picked up what I call decorative ornaments for that tree to go ahead and complement it. We picked up some sweets. This is a pastel teal milkshake. We picked up 2 of these. It has some really beautiful pastel sprinkles on top with some glitter here. Super cute. Again, we picked up 2 of these, and these are $1 each. Also $1, we picked up this pastel pink crossing candy canes. They did have this in a blue, but it was too bright for what we were going for. We also went ahead and picked up 2 of these donut ornaments. They're super cute. They're shiny on the back. The back color is a little bright for what we're going for, but I thought the front with the glitter really softened the color and made it a little bit more pastel. We also got this gorgeous pastel pink cupcake. I thought we picked up 2, but I guess we only came home with 1, so we might pick up another one if we're out and about and just happen to be there. Only $1. This is the last decorative ornament that we've picked up so far, but this one was $2, and I just thought it was so precious. I couldn't pass it up. It's this stacked macaron ornament. Next thing we picked up was just $1 at Walmart. It was these window clings, and this actually really doesn't match our themes at all, but we just have a soft spot for that vintage Christmas look, and we thought these were so cute. And the last 3 things that we did pick up for Christmas decor are these gorgeous bottle brush trees. I got 1 of the 12-inch dusty pink glitter trees. I also picked up a slightly smaller one. I believe this is a 7-inch pastel teal tree. And then we also picked up this white wispy one. It has little fluffs on it, but it's not glittery, and we just thought that really tied the 2 together. The pink and the teal one were both $3 each, and this little white one was just $1. I think we might pick up more. I really love the way these look. And then last but not least, I did go ahead and pick up a Christmas tree. This is a 6-foot flocked Christmas tree, and I did buy it secondhand, and that's what I'm gonna recommend to you all. If you're not buying your forever Christmas tree or the Christmas tree you plan on having for the next 10 to 20 years, buy it secondhand. So many people do that. Or buy it right after the holiday season is over and get it on a really big discount. I got this tree for just $5. It is a little less grand than most 6-foot trees, but I think it's just perfect and precious for our tiny little apartment. And that is everything new that I did pick up for Christmas this year. I'm gonna go ahead and tally that up and get the total for you. Give me one moment. Alright, after totaling everything up, including the multiples that I got of each thing, the grand total that I spent on brand new Christmas decor for this year was just $88. Now that I went ahead and showed you all my Christmas decor, I'm gonna go ahead and organize my laundry closet just a little bit more, kind of put these away, even though I will be grabbing for these in just a couple days, but I don't want to leave them out and clutter up my living space. Let's go ahead and get back to the cleaning. And here is our disaster of a laundry room. We have Christmas stuff everywhere, All of our bottles and shelves are not organized. We have chips in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get started by trying to put away the Christmas stuff. Key note on trying, and you'll see what I mean by that in just a little bit here.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. Cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
Here is our absolutely trashed storage for Christmas stuff. We'll probably do an organization video of all of this up here after we declutter our decor, specifically after the holidays when we take everything down. But both of these gray tubs and the red tubs up there are Christmas decor. All these bags are Christmas decor and lights. That is just some luggage. And then we have 2 beach chairs here. On this shelf, we do have some of our travel and vacation stuff. So we have some Disney ears in there. It's also when we take to the beach. In here, we have our travel products. We have fans that we take to Disney, sunscreen, tanning oil, aloe, things of that sort. In this pink pouch we keep travel toiletries, and in this plant container we keep change. I have some garment bags there. I have our laundry detergent, some vinegar, our scent beads, dryer sheets, our iron, and our sewing kit. Some stain remover there. And then a hack for you guys is you can use a blanket hanger, which is this. It has this silicone rubber piece that hooks on and off here. It's the perfect place to hang your masks. We not only store our masks here, but we also hang them after we're done washing them here so that they can dry. I have a plastic bag full of bags, and then I also have a plastic bag here hanging on a hanger, or hanging on the rack. It's normally on a hanger. I think Chance got creative, of dirty towels, just so we can always do those together. And then I went ahead and wiped down the top of our washer and dryer, and then that garment bag just has masks that are currently dirty that need to get washed.
Yes,
Alright everyone, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me for this Clean With Me, where we tackled some of the disastrous spots in the house, as well as the Christmas haul that I shared with you. I hope you all got inspired to find affordable Christmas decor. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on those future DIYs I talked to you about. Please give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for your support. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!